project starts with an idea. If the idea sounds good, a project can be initiated to make it happen. Project requires structure and accountability. That is why we need a project manager. A project manager is someone skilled in managing tasks and people, but not necessarily knowledgeable or passionate about the product. The project manager gathers enough information to create a plan. The plan will outline in the detail the scope over several project milestones and estimate how much time and money will be needed to complete it all. That manager then demands for resources, including people, builds a team around the project, and keep each team member on task to ensure a successful outcome. Success is measured by how closely the project manager sticks to the initial plan, based on scope, time, and budget. But what about projects that remain on time, on budget, and within scope, and yet still do not succeed? For years, Nokia led the market in producing mobile phones. It delivered phone after phone on tight schedules. It knew how to run a project, and each individual project likely succeeded. But where are Nokia phones now? Is Nokia still around? Yes, as a department of Microsoft. What is interesting is Microsoft paid more for Skype, $8.6 billion, which was a few hundred-person service company, than it paid for Nokia, $7.2 billion, a company that at point had a vast infrastructure, million in hardware assets, and 100,000 of employees. If you or your company thinks in terms of projects and less in terms of products and values, it can be dangerous. Because project mindset defines success from inside out. That is, using internal measurements that are more about task management and about how accurately the initial plan was followed. As anything changes, your initial plan shakes. What is the alternative? Product mindset. Start your journey toward better product management. Subscribe my channel on YouTube, link below, and connect with me on LinkedIn and Twitter. What is a product? A product is anything that can be offered to a market that might satisfy a want or need or solves a problem. Let me ask you here, what do your customer value? Projects or products? The objective is not to deliver projects, but to deliver value through products. Awesome products that lead to higher revenue and lower costs. Products that are so great that your number of customers will grow and existing customers will become loyal. So forget about projects. Approach your idea and business case as a product. Give your product idea to a capable and cross-functional team and give them meaningful business targets such as user adoption, sales, stakeholder satisfaction, and cost saving per feature development. User adoption is a process by which new users get accustomed to a product and decide to keep using it. Users only adopt a product if it helps them to achieve their goal, whether it's ordering food or finding a life partner. Impress on the team that only way to influence targets like those is to release something of value as soon as possible and validate your business assumption from the market. This product mindset is an outside-in approach. It uses external measurement to actively guide the development of the product to maximize value for its user. If this sounds like a good mindset to you, the next question should be, what can we ship fast that will have the biggest impact on your targets? After all, you want to make the biggest positive impact in the world, don't you? If you think you are too small to have an impact, try going to bed with a mosquito in the room. Start your journey toward better product management. Subscribe my channel on YouTube, link below, and connect with me on LinkedIn and Twitter.